In this short video I will show you how to share any files between Android devices and tablets. There are two methods to do the same thing and you will see both. Let's start. First, select file that you want to send. In my case it will be 9 short video clips. Then hit share button and choose quick share. From the list, select devices to which you want to send these files and process will start automatically. That's it. All files has been sent. Very fast and easy way to share your files. Now let's remove all files and try another way. Let's select the same video clips. Hit share. And this time choose nearby share instead of quick share. Choose the device from the list and start sending process. The progress is shown on a circle around your device name. It looks like nearby share is slightly slower than quick share, but it's still quick enough. And it's done. All files has been sent. You can also share files between 3 devices at the same time. In order to do this, again select files that you want to send. Hit share. Then nearby share and choose 2 devices from the list. Except on other phones, the process will start. Quick share is designed only for Galaxy devices and nearby share works with all Android devices running Android 6 or higher. When sharing is finished, you can open your files. In my case, these are video clips, so they shown up in my gallery application on each phone. Hope you'll find this tutorial useful and see you in the next one. Cheers!